Do you know that 75% of all mental health problems actually start by age 24? And the worst part? For most people, it takes 8 to 10 years just to realize what's happening to them. The problem is not that the warning signs are invisible. It's that no one ever taught us how to recognize them in the first place. So after going through research studies, I have found 5 early signs of mental health decline in our 20s and what exactly we can do about each one before they start ruining our life. Number 1. The what's the point syndrome. The first major sign of decline is the belief that your efforts are pretty much useless. You look at your goals and a voice whispers, "That's never gonna happen for you. Why even bother?" And you feel like your future is not going to get any better. And when we are in our 20s, where we are supposed to meet new people and try new things, this feeling kills our motivation to do anything. Because if nothing matters, why try? This is not just about being negative. Psychologists call it learned helplessness, a core feature of depression. So how do you get out of this? One really powerful yet simple strategy is to always have something to look forward to. Seriously, put some hope on your calendar. It could be a coffee with a friend, a movie night, or saving up for a next trip. Our brain needs those positive mental triggers. Number 2. The Hunger Games of your appetite. When mental health dips, our eating habits drastically change, and you might not even realize it. One week you are overeating, and the next week you are barely eating at all, even if your favorite meal is in front of you. A super simple first step? Try tracking your food for a few days. No judgment. Just notice the patterns. And if the changes feels too wild, check in with your doctor or nutrition to get things back on track. Number 3. Battery life always at 1%. This is when even replying to a text or making dinner feels like climbing Mount Everest. Research shows this is not laziness. It's your brain and body showing signals that they are under heavy mental stress. So here's the quick fix. You don't need to overhaul your life. You just need small energy boosts, like taking 10 minutes of sunlight to reset your body clock, enough exercise to get your heart rate up, or cold showers. Plus add balanced meals on top of this to actually fuel your battery. Number 4. When your favorite things feel boring. Maybe you finally bought that video game you waited for so long, one you know you should be excited for, but you just play for a few minutes and feel nothing. Even meeting up with friends starts to feel the same. This is not boredom, it's anhedonia, the lack of ability to feel pleasure. According to psychologists, one surprisingly effective tool to get that joy back is novelty. On purpose, you have to try something new. Even small things such as new cafe, a different route for a walk, or playing totally different genre of music or games. And do that every few weeks. This helps us to retrain our brain for reward pathways, showing it that joy is not gone. It just needs new sparks to ignite. Number 5. Ghosting your own life. This is when me time slowly turns into only me all the time. You are dodging invites, you are on do not disturb for days, and the idea of socializing just makes you want to hide. But here is the trap. The more you isolate, the louder negative thoughts get. You see perfect lives online and you feel more alone in your struggle. According to research, chronic loneliness can impact your health as much as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. That's how important human connection is. So, how do you break out of this hermit mode? First, don't become a social butterfly overnight. Start small, like joining a book club, a local sports club, volunteering, or even online community of your hobbies. And commit to showing up regularly. It's about rebuilding those bridges one step at a time.